Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. It seems like everybody that owns one of these cars, a HELLCAT, Scat Pack, 300, whatever it is, they automatically assume you got bad credit. And the reason why I say that is because all the little videos I see on Twitter, on TikTok, there's always a car salesman clowning somebody that's trying to buy a Scat Pack or a HELLCAT.
All right, my boy, you got some great news for me?
I got great news for you, Chief. So I know you were interested in the Scat Pack 392, but with that 392 credit score, I know that you bank with Truist, and you have excellent proof of income here, which is fantastic.
Yes, sir.
I got some figures for you here. I know you want to be at 50K, but we got you at 77K out the door here.
Man, what about that $400 a month I was talking about?
$400 a month, so we got you at $400 a week. So that's good because it helps you pay off the car faster, so it really does you a favor.
And it helps with my credit, right?
Yeah, it helps with your credit too, which is good.
And what's the interest rate on this?
The interest rate is about 40%, and that just means that 40% of the people get approved, but we took care of you.
And you said I can take it right now?
Like right now, just sign right here.
Thank you, sir.
Either they talking about how many miles is on the car. They paying a real high interest rate, or they talking about how the person who's trying to buy the car really can't afford it, but Dodge will approve them anyway. We're going to talk about this Hornet, this Dodge Hornet. If you haven't heard about the Hornet, check out this quick clip. So that is the Dodge Hornet, man. A lot of people are disappointed with this car, with this little SUV, and we're going to talk about a couple quick things. I'm not going to make this video too long. I'm just going to give you guys my 2 cents about the Hornet, because a lot of people hit me up, ask me about it. I don't really talk about it too much. If you've been watching my dealership videos, I've sat in one. Now, what Hornet is this? 24 RT Track Pack Black Top E all-wheel drive, 46. A lot of plastic in here though, guys. They definitely didn't use any high quality materials or anything like that. Let me get in the back. I got the seat all the way back. Let's see what kind of room. Nope, no room in the back. I can't get back there. Look at that. So if you're not super tall, I think it's more so for a female. And my main problem with the Hornet, guys, is it's just too small. I'm 6'4". That car is way too small for a family. They call themselves trying to make a vehicle that's family friendly, but how can you go from being able to get a Durango, well, Chrysler had the Aspen.
The Chrysler Aspen. This could be one of the least known of the mid-size SUVs. Transmission's pretty basic on this car. It's a 5-speed automatic column shifter. They have a technology in here that has an alternate second gear for smoother downshifts through the very lowest range of the gears. Beyond that, pretty basic transmission lineup, and it's your only choice. Now, standard on this vehicle is a couple niceties. When you go into reverse, you get rear park distance sensors that use that LED bank in the rear in case some dummy's walking behind you while you're backing up. It's nice because you can see it that way, hear it, and see it in your rear view mirror.
That was a large SUV. How you go from selling those to selling these little small SUVs? Now I know they're trying to target the new generation. They're really not thinking about us anymore. We all used to these big old cars, these big Dodge Charger, 4-door muscle cars, and you know, the Dodge Durangos, and you know, all the Jeeps and all these big vehicles. Now they're trying to shove these little SUVs down our throat. I'm totally against it. Me personally, I would never buy one. When I sat in the car, it seemed like it's cheaply made. There's a lot of plastic inside of that truck. So I really don't think it's gonna sell too well.